like a raindrop falling on my heart. She is like the sunshine after the rain.
कहो ना प्यार है, कहो ना प्यार।
Hi Pooja.
Hi.
Hi dear, what's up?
Have you seen that sensational blockbuster, super duper hit short movie? A B C D E F G H.
My preparation for exam is not moving and you're talking about a short movie.
And soon, Baba, even this movie is about an exam. A compulsory and mandatory exam which every girl should conduct for her boyfriend.
I don't understand whether you're talking about my exam or your short movie.
Sheetal, why don't you also conduct this exam for your boyfriend?
First tell me, what's the test? What are the questions? What reply the hero gives in that? Wait, come to my home, we'll discuss. Hi Pooja.
Hi.
Come on, quickly tell me what are the questions? What are the answers given by the hero?
Seems to be very interesting. You wanna test your boyfriend,
Very brilliant. But how to convince him to take up the test?
I'll take care of it. Don't worry.
No problem. I have enough talk time. You can make a call.
Achha, just calm down. Why, Arvind? Why did you do like this?
Hey, what did I do?
Why you didn't pick up her call?
I'm busy at work, yaar.
At least you could have dropped a message.
Message? Message at that time? It's impossible, yaar.
Now she is thinking of dropping you. And she is so much depressed, frustrated, I'm unable to console her.
All these for not picking one phone call. Oh my god.
Please, Sheetal, don't cry, Sheetal. Arvind, she is literally weeping here.
Do something, Pooja. Please, Pooja.
Okay, Sheetal, he is very sorry. He is ready to do anything as an apology. He is ready to do anything for you.
Absolutely, yes.
He is ready to do anything for you.
Anything.
Anything.
Anything and everything.
You must appear for the test and qualify in the test to prove that you're affectionate and etc. towards me.
Test. Okay. Sure. Now you're not angry at me, right?
No more questions. Your exam is at 1 PM. Sharp.
You're late by 11 seconds.
I think she's very angry at me. You don't worry, I'll manage.
Sheetal, where are your mother and father? They are not there in your home?
Who is he and what is he doing with you?
My friend, Bablu.
Okay, Savitri will give you the exam instructions. I will ask you the questions and Sheetal will evaluate the answers.
All the best, Mama.
Hey, Double XL. Get up. Take your chair. One step back. One more step. Savitri.
Answer all the questions. Don't question the invigilators. Use your own brain in case if you have it to answer the question. Take your own time to answer the question. But we take it if it is given in 1 minute.
Here comes your question number 1.
I'm ready for the examination.
1 minute. Okay.
Answer yes or no. You love Shanghai chicken?
Yes, of course. It's my favorite dish. I love it so much.
You love Sachin Tendulkar?
Absolutely. He's the god of the cricket. I just love him.
You love Pepe jeans?
Yes, that's my best feeding. That's my favorite brand.
You love Michael Jackson?
Undoubtedly. He's the king of pop. He's a great dancer.
You love Sheetal?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Where is the adjective? Where is the emotion? Where is the feel?
I can't believe it. I expected something and you are...
What is this here? What's wrong?
Savitri.
Answer all the questions. Don't question the invigilators. Use your own brain in case if you have it to answer the question. Take your own time to answer the question, but we take it if it is given in 1 minute.
Mama, why this Kolaveri?
You go and sit.
Okay.
And the question number 2 comes here.
Where is the question?
Savitri.
Answer all the questions. Don't question the invigilators. Use your own brain in case if you have it to answer the question.
Okay.
Take your own
Okay.
time to answer the question,
Okay.
but we take it
Okay.
if it is
Okay.
given in 1 minute.
Toughest question I have ever faced. How to decode this question? Dot is common in all symbols, and glass dot is the best dot because it's the biggest dot. Answer is C. Yes! Yes!
Question mark, then he thinks you are hot. If he chooses exclamation mark, then he thinks you are not hot. And if he chooses full stop, then he thinks you are not at all hot.
Oh!
Mama, why this Kolaveri?
Hmm.
Okay.
And your question number 3 comes here. What is the 3-lettered word that Sheetal loves very much? And I'll give you a clue here. There is dash dash G.
I will surely answer this question. Dash dash G. I will. Dash dash G. 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 Dash dash G.
Last 10 seconds.
Pig.
Gee!
Mug. Jug. Gig. Jug. Dig. Hug. Yes. Hug.
No!
Time up.
Correct answer is pug. At least you have answered dog.
You said I love pig? Yes, I'm in love with a pig and that pig is you, dirty pig. Idiot, pig, dirty pig, male pig, piggy pig. Pooja, I'll kill him. Savitri, I'll kill him. Pooja, I'll kill him. Savitri, I'll kill him. I'll kill him. I'll kill him.
No, Sheetal, exam rules don't allow. You can try it after the exam.
Oh.
Mama, why this Kolaveri? Okay.
And your question number 4. You, Sheetal, Sheetal's mother and Sheetal's father are traveling in a Titanic.
Okay.
But even this time it is sinking down.
Okay.
But due to increased security precautions, there are enough number of lifeboats this time. Only last boat is left. All other boats are left. And the boat capacity is 3, maximum including the driver. So, whom will you kill to move to the seashore?
Kill? Why should I kill someone to move to the seashore?
Savitri.
Answer all the questions. Don't question the invigilators. Use your own brain in case if you have it to answer the question. Take your own time to answer the question, but we take it if it is given in 1 minute.
Okay. Why should I kill someone? Why should I kill someone? I need some rough work to do this. This is Titanic. This is Sheetal. This is me. This is Sheetal's mother, my mother-in-law. This is Sheetal's father.
You're criticizing that my dad is stout.
No, I don't. I don't mean that.
He's not so fat. I know you don't respect him.
I don't mean that. Really, I don't mean that. Okay. You 3 are glasses which will be handled with care. And this is me. It's me.
He's trying to kill my mother. He's not a lover. He's a killer.
Sheetal, why will I kill your mother? It is your mother. Then she's my mother-in-law. Just wait. Now you 3 people are safe.
In this movie, hero tells that he will kill himself. Such a selfish, wicked guy. He only knows how to row the boat and route to the seashore. And he tries to kill himself. And he wants everyone to die along with him. Yes.
I'm leaving. It's over. It's all over. I'm cheated.
Cool down, please.
I thought he's my lover. But now I understood. He's unfit even as a driver.
It's 99% proof that he is unfit for you. So why to live this 1% hope? Now let's confirm it by asking the 5th question. Okay? That he is unfit for you.
Mama, why this Kolaveri? Okay.
Cool down, Sheetal. Last question. Last and final question. Last and final question. What is the first question of this examination?
You forgot the questions asked about me 5 minutes
No.
ago.
Please.
I'm sure you'll forget me in a matter of no time. Goodbye.
No, please.
I'm sorry. Even I forgot one thing.
My love is gone. My love is gone.
Over. It's all over. He answered the same way that hero answered in that short movie. What's the climax, Pooja? What's the climax? Now tell me, what shall I do? What's the climax? Please tell me the result. What is the climax? What is the climax?
Sheetal, I'm very sorry. They didn't yet shoot the climax, yaar. Perhaps it will be released soon.
Arey yaar, what shall I do now? Should I hold him or drop him? At least you tell me, Savitri. What should I do now?
I know only instructions.
Don't worry, I got an idea. Director is my friend. We will call him and ask him the climax. It's ringing. What should I talk? Go.
Yeah, hello?
Hello Rakesh. I conducted love examination.
Your reality is identical to my imagination.
No Rakesh, your imagination is identical to my reality.
That's what I told.
Okay Rakesh, tell me, what should I do? Hold him or drop him? Please, tell me.
Look, you're telling that he tried to answer all your stupid questions what you asked him. His effort and attitude to answer your questions is primary. Whether he does it right or wrong doesn't matter. If you think he made a sincere attempt, he did whatever he can. Go with him.
Sweet memories keep haunting me, and deep in my soul I know you are mine, and my heart belongs to you. Lisa, 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 Lisa.
What is this exam? What's all those questions? What is this rubbish? Let her go to hell. Let her go. Now I have decided completely. Dump her out of my life completely. Permanently. I will never talk to her, see? I will never talk to her. Never talk to her.
Okay sir.
Sheetal. Hello? Sheetal?
Arvind, I think I hurted you a little bit.
I will never get hurted here.
I'm extremely sorry.
Prepare for the examination. Please conduct a supply. I will prepare well and I will do my best.
So sweet of you. We'll meet in the evening at the park. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Mama, why this Kolavare, Mama?
Everything for a girl's heart, Mama.
Yo boys, I am singing song, soup song, flop song. Why this Kolaveri, Kolaveri, Kolaveri day? Why this Kolaveri, Kolaveri, Kolaveri day? Rhythm correct?
Why this Colaveri, Colaveri, Colaveri D? Maintain please. Why this Colaveri a D? Distance la moon, moon, moon color white, white background night, night, night color black. Why is Colaveri, Colaveri, Colaveri D? Why is